1.
Have your object. Warehouse. Object definition. Copy tuning. Extract tuning. Add to current package. On Pixified Sims Patreon, copy the code.
Find that in the description.
2.
Select object tuning. Under states, paste the code.
3.
Object definition. Environment score emotion tags. Edit items. Add. Tag. Pick one. Save. Environment scores. Edit items. Add. 375 or something from this list.
Find that in the description.
4.
Object catalog. Selling points or tooltip tags. Edit items. Add. Pick one. Add a number. Done. Ah, the wonders of emotion.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.